We're at SEMA 2024. Sorry, Tyler's not here. He's the star.
Yeah, left Big Tyler at home. We couldn't get him through customs. Coverage of SEMA 2024 is brought to you by Mueller Coops and Fortis HD. For all your rubber track and tooling needs, visit FortisHD.com.
Yeah, we're gonna check it out. We're gonna check out the show. We're gonna show you guys the best of the best here. Come check it out. But wait, there's more.
Just trying to get creative and have fun with it and show everyone what you can do with such a tiny little truck, because not only does it look cool, but it will go anywhere.
Look at that. It's like a sniper rifle now. Do you guys have like a bipod mount for it?
It's Vegas, baby. You gotta have rum and coke.
Sneak peeking at the show is our new master punch and chisel set.
So, you know, we have what we call Vim Aggro, but we don't like floppy stuff.
Been watching all y'all's videos.
Oh, nice. Thanks.
7, 8, 9, 10. It's that easy.
How's it going, man? Cam? Yeah, good to meet you.
You can make the car look really good while saving a lot of money at the same time, so.
It's nice stuff. Why not? Right?
And then the sprayers we manufacture, 100% made in the USA.
They knock it out of the park every time. There's no question about it.
Always innovating.
Yeah. Stick what you do and do it well, you know?
So the idea behind this is start with a platen and then build as you go.
If you missed this year, come check it out next year. Check out the Mueller booth. Make a point of coming by to the Mueller booth. We'll show you around. Follow me. Come with me. He just whipped that out on camera.
Oh, I'm sorry, yeah.
Thank you for watching our coverage of SEMA this year. We met plenty of great people and saw lots of new, cool products. If you enjoyed our SEMA coverage, make sure you check out all of our other videos. Special thanks to Mueller Coops and Fortis HD.